Hey there, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Good morning, crypto friends. How are we doing out there? We are live. And we are looking here at BTC/USD down 0.18%. Still holding that same support level as we had charted for you last night. So still going sideways, doing some healthy consolidation up here so we can run and attack that 50K. So we're looking at support to hold at the 49,026.41, and did come into some resistance a little before the previous, so we're down to 49,907 resistance for BTC. RSI is in good shape. Volume overnight was kind of light, below average. And as you can see, a lot of people asked, I have two BTCs in my list. This top one is Binance, and the bottom one is Coinbase. As you can see, there's a $400 distance in between the price on Coinbase and the price on Binance. A lot of people trade that arbitrage in between the two. Just saying. Now that I cleared that up, let's roll on and get you caught up here. Look, we'll have a look here at Ethereum ETH/USD. It's down 0.08%, trying to go red to green this morning as we stream this live for you. Support still remains. We did touch that 12-day moving average, and bounced right back up 3 times. So that looks good and healthy. 3313.97 is your support. And resistance, we're going to have to get back up through that previous high at the 3348.73. Moving on to Cardano, it's down 1.17%. Still holding our support level at 2.8478. And resistance still there at the 2.938. So we got to bust that $3 and off we go. RSI did manage to cool down, so maybe we can chill just a little bit more to cool her down to about that 0.62, not 62.7, something around there, so we can attack that seller up there at the $3 mark. Let's have a look at the Doge, DOGE USD. It's down 1.82%. We'll pull that stop loss just beneath those lows. And we are riding that 50-day moving average like a pony. So we're looking at 0.1304 for support, and resistance is up there. Right there on those short-term moving averages at the 0.3168. Having a look here at DOT USD PolkaDot. Lots of buzz going around with PolkaDot as well as Cardano. Well, let's scoot over there where we can grab the right thing for you, and off we go. 27.326 is your support, and need to come down. We could not get through that high there. We had some selling going on right at the 27.910. On to BNB USD. It's down 1.32%. Nice little touchdown off of that 12-day moving average and pop right back up there. So we did pass that retest. So we're looking at 491.141 for support, and resistance now. Try to get above that guy at 499.86. So that $500 mark is coming into resistance. RSI was overbought, but we are coming back down and starting to chill for another go at it, looks like. Let's move on to SOL USD. We have resistance at the 79.180, support there at the 75.854, and I'll say it one more time, and I promise I won't say it for the rest. So we did touch the 12-day moving average. And off we go to Litecoin. That is LTC USD. It's down about 0.5% for today as we get the day started here. So we're looking at support. Oh, we got one on further up there we are. 185.14 is your support level. Resistance to watch for is 188.08. On to Ethereum Classic, ETC, USD. It's down 1.3%. The classiest of all Ethereum is support at 66.879. And resistance, keeping it classy at 68.299. Moving on to MATIC, MATIC, USD down 1.74% for today. Going to look up here now to support to hold at the 1.6226. And very close by, you got your resistance at the 1.6399er. Lots of sideways engulfing stuff going on here. So we're looking for an explosion. Moving on to Stellar, XLM, USD. It's down 0.71%. And we are looking at support at the, still holding, 0.37512. Resistance still holding at the 0.3806. On to Vechain, VET, USD. The V of chains, it's up 1.39% for today. Nice rounding bottom here, curl up, so that looks very positive for us. Some selling going on up in this range. Probably these folks that FOMO'd over here are trying to bail out. So look for that range to give us some resistance at the 0.13444. FIL USD Filecoin 78.57 is the current price, down on 1.5%. And we are looking at support right there at the 77.616, and resistance now come down to $80. And let's move into some of the crypto small caps we have for you on the watch list. Looking at IOTA, Internet of Things, IOTA USD, it's up 0.5%, so IOTA starting to make its move early. It's had its Wheaties and drank its Gatorades. It's ready to go. Looking at support at the 1.1456, resistance at the 1.1746. Everything else in good shape. Some good volume in here on IOTA. So let's move on to basic attention coin. Needing our attention. So it's down 1.77%. And we are looking for that support level to hold. And keep an eye on this red line here. That's your 12-day moving average. We did come down to retest that. Didn't quite get there and just bounced right back. Looking very positive. But we did find resistance, and we'll have to get through it once more down there at the 0.8909. On to NMR USD. It's down 0.93%. Support holding up strong. We did come down, retest, and pass. So we're $44 is the support level. But we're going to need to get back through some of these previous highs at the 44.574. Having a look here at Storj, STORJ USD, sitting at 0.5%. It's up for today. And we are looking at resistance now at the 1.438. Support right there on 1, 2, almost 3, 4. 1.358 is your support. Moving on to NU USD, it's feeling a little bit more pain than some of the others. It's down 4.8%. Somebody got mad at it and sold it. So you're looking at support at the 0.3080. Coming on down here. Got to get back through that resistance level at the 0.3128. Let's have a look at Uniswap, USD, as we move into the DeFi tokens. It's down 0.83%. Most all of the decentralized finance is down for today. So we are looking at support right there on that 50-day moving average. Couple of passes. There we go. 28.390 is that number. And resistance now coming back at you at the 28.942. Let's have a look at Chainlink. It's down 0.5% so far for today. We're still holding that support level. Let's leave her there, 28.410. And gonna need to get back through this resistance level at the 28.823. Let's have a look at tequila, Aave nectar. No, Aave, AAVE USD. It's down 1.26%. And there she be. $400. 400.395 is support level to keep an eye on. And got to get back through that bit of resistance at the 405.08. Then you'll be looking up there at the 407 range. The graph token GRT USD. So we're looking at our support level did not hold. So we're going to look down now at this 0.98842. So we did, we under that one, just slightly under that $1 psychological for support, and resistance up at the $1.02. So very tight range, starting to flag. As you can see, we were making a pennant there. But keep an eye out for that, folks. As we have a look here at comp, COMP USD, that's compound. And we're looking at 460.802 support, and resistance gonna come into play right there at the 470.02. Let's have a look at MKR USD. It's down 1% for today. Things are dancing around here, getting lively. 3810.69 is support level to watch on and lean on. And resistance 3874.78. Looking here at MANA, MANA USDC, it's up 1.9%. 1.19, I should say. So we got this pivot high right over here to look for. It's a 0.9488 or 0.94813, I should say. If I should say it, I did. And still have the support level down here. And we did look for this 12-day moving average to hold first, but if that cannot hold on to that, we'll look at the 0.891243. On to some of these NFTs. Let's look at Theta, THETA USD. It's down 2.28%. And look at that support at the 7.602 and resistance 7.759. On to CHZ USD. We are looking at being down 3.34%, but managed to get up there and make some new support to hang on to at the 0.3928 support, and resistance now slightly below previous at the 0.4022. Have a look here at audio. It's down 3.25%. It's starting to thin out here. And we got support right there at the 2.939 and resistance up at the 3.10. On to ENJB USD, it's down 6% and fell through our support we had previously marked for you and looking for us to hold right there. Actually, we need to go there. And 2.01, that $2 range in this 12-day coming up to meet it should be enough to get us for a bounce keep an eye on that, folks, and your resistance level still remains up there at the 2.192. Have a look at Harmony 1. That's ONE USD. It's up 0.17%, so it's the first to climb here. And we're looking at support at the 0.1148 and resistance now. Got to get back through that 0.1171. Moving on into some of the new additions. I need to get these in the lineup where they belong, but this is SHIB, SHIB USDT, down 1.59%. You know the drill. We got 5 zeros, then 800 for support, and you have 5 zeros, 821. RSI in good shape, and volume just under average for the SHIB. Moving on to IPC USD, down 2.98%. Yet barely clung on to that support level at the 63.7. Nope, we lost it. Scratch that. I was just being a little too optimistic there. So we're looking down now at the 63.420 for support and resistance. Very close by at the $64. Heading on over to AMP USD. It's down 6.82% and stair-stepping its way down through support. And you can see it's on the move as we chart this right now. Looking at support to hold at the 0.0630, and then watch for this 50-day moving average. We did come down and just bounce perfectly off of there before. We'll see if that can hold up as well. And then you're going to have resistance coming back up to the 0.0657. There we go. On to CRO USD. That's the crypto.com token. If you're trading over there, you'll be familiar with this one. And it's up to 0.16374 resistance. And there's a little tiny bit of support at the 0.1601. Wrapping her up here with AVAX USD. As the title card mentioned, it is up 6.41%. Still climbing. And this particular one is listed on Binance. Not sure if that's even on Coinbase. I'll have to look into that. So look at support at 47.921, resistance 51.172. Let's have a gander at the crypto market caps. What say ye? All right, we'll do it. The Bitcoin BTC.D market cap is 44.04%. So we're up just a wee bit, 0.15 to be exact, of the market cap. And let's have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is up 0.36, so it's up to 18.45. Cardano down about 1% at 4.39. Doge down about 1.42% at 194. Total crypto market cap $2.103 trillion, up down about 0.5%. So just a minute of folks cashing out there. And ladies and gentlemen, that does it for me. Thank you for stopping by this morning. Crypto Morning Show. I will see you all tonight at the Crypto Happy Hour. You know the drill. Have a great day, everyone. Hey there. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
Let it go. Let it go. I like that, y'all. I like that, y'all.